I'm hearing a lot of talk about Tesla being dead and Tsly and people selling out, and that's fine. But to those of you that are in, I want to show you some things that may make you happy. This is Mike, the Tactical Stock Scalper. All right. So what we see here is a yearly chart in Tesla, and I've been talking about this for quite some time. I think we're coming down to form this double bottom. I want to show you this here. Let's pull up this line here. So we're going to put a line here. We'll put a line here. So what I think is happening is Tesla is coming down to form a double bottom on this chart, on the daily chart. And I'm expecting a bounce from this level. Does that guarantee it'll happen? No, but what it does is give me a reference point and a point to buy. So I've been kind of holding off a little bit on buying Tsly until we get down to this level here. And there's a couple other things I want to show you here. We're going to go ahead and zoom in and do a little intricate work here. So, as you see, let's take another little line here, okay? Take another little line here, and I want to show you something. Follow this line here. Let's put them right here. Okay, so we have got a bounce from this level before. So now we're entering this level between 210 and 200, which is just really a great buying zone, okay? This is a fantastic channel, I think, for risk-reward. We're going to put this right here. Perfect. And, put this sucker right there. So what we're looking at is this area here. This will be a great buy zone. Let's zoom out. And I do think we're working our way towards a double bottom here on the daily time frame. And I'm personally looking for a bounce here. I'm going to start purchasing between 210 and 200 when Tesla closes below this 210 level and starts going down there. That's going to be a buy for me. So I'm just kind of holding off and waiting to see what happens from the charts. Could it bounce from here and go back up? Surely it could. But for me, I'm being patient. I got enough shares right now in Tesla. I'm waiting for the optimal buy. And for me, that's between 200 and 210. Currently, I'm looking for a bounce there. We know we got earnings coming up. So I have a strategy I'm going to use for earnings I want to talk to you guys about, but I'm not going to do that video today because that one will take too much time. So I'm looking at a buy zone there, and I am looking for a bounce from this level. Let's pull this out on a weekly chart. Kind of give you a better look at it here on the weekly time frame. Another reason I'm buying in this channel is because the 200 period moving average, which you see there in purple, is coming up, and also the $200 price tag, which is a psychological level for a lot of investors to invest in whole numbers. And 200 mentally looks like a good one to me. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and purchase Tsly between this level here. And if we go back and look at history, let's zoom in here on a weekly time frame, and let's show you something else. We'll go here. Move you up here. Okay, perfect. So we got one there. Okay, so you see we have a couple lines there in a weekly time frame, which is also held support. That was the 225 level, but as you see, a lot of wicks dipped well below that to roughly this old level here. So, there's a couple different things that are catching my eye, why I think it's a good risk-reward for my plan on TSLY to invest between 210 and 200. It just makes sense to me. To invest here. Now, does that mean it'll get a bounce from here? Well, no, but at least it gives me a point to average down instead of some of these other positions. Because as you see here on a weekly time frame, we have broken through the 200 period moving average before, but it doesn't like to get far away from it. Once it gets up from the 200, it really wants to gravitate back towards it, kind of recalibrates a little bit, and then we'll take off again, is what I think. So that's kind of what I'm betting on and putting my money on. Hope you enjoyed the content. If you did, please caress the like button. Subscribe to the channel, and also have a Discord server if you like to hang out and talk charts. This is Mike, Tactical Stock Scalper, out.